Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Many of you like this Chibi Miku, so I decided to make a tutorial. Hope you like it. Enjoy. First, draw a circle. Then draw two lines like this. Then we can start the face line. If you want the chibi look cute, the face can draw a bit baby fat. Then draw a baseline. You can lightly to draw to big circles. A bit look like, haha. The big eyes make chibi more cute. A small nose. And a happily smile. Start to draw hair. Then Miku's headset. Done. Now I use ink to draw the outline. I will use white paint to make some corrections. Please leave a comment for me. I really would like to hear from all of you. Please subscribe for more drawing videos. See you next time.